Hello fellow travelers, Bee here from Jane Sees the World. I'm going to be talking a little bit today about Turkish towels. I'm going to do a product review. We're going to talk about how wonderful they are for travel. Hello and welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to explore the world in our spare time, which isn't that much because we have full-time jobs, so we have to make the most of it. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe, and you can hear our tips and tricks for making the most out of those precious vacation hours. So today, I'm talking about Turkish towels. These were introduced to me a few years ago, and they kind of revolutionized how I travel, quite honestly. Packing a towel is one of the hardest things to do because they take up so much space. For many years I did travel with a microfiber towel and they were better, but they're not as great as a Turkish towel. I received this blue one here as part of a subscription package to Globe Inn. Wonderful, wonderful company and program. I'll leave a link. They're great. Anyway, I'd gotten this towel. I'd heard about them, but I wasn't quite ready to invest in one because I didn't believe all the hype. Absorb better, dry faster, they don't smell, all the things that you just can't believe about a product. But for whatever reason, and I don't know what magic is in these things, but Turkish towels really do all of that. So they're good size, usually around like 40 to 70 inches. Right? This thing is not a little microfiber towel that you're kind of wrapping around. You can actually, cover yourself with this. You can put your swimsuit on underneath it. I have had to do that in a pinch a couple of times. So yes, this thing is good size. But the best part is it's super lightweight and it folds up really small. So even though you've got yourself this kind of great size towel, it gets really small. It's not actually my greatest folding job, but you get the idea. It works great as a beach towel, but takes up a fraction of the space that a beach towel does, and is still real lightweight. Also, it does dry really fast. I was quite surprised. I didn't think it was going to work that great, but it does. The other thing that I like about it is that you can use them for more than just towels. I did like this one that I received, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the color because it honestly doesn't match very many of my clothes. I recently invested in another one with what I thought are more neutral colors. So the best part about this is that I can use it for more than just a towel. Turkish towels make excellent scarves. A nice little wrap if you are a little chilly and this is all you have available. You can also use them as a swimsuit cover-up, a blanket on the airplane. They're just very, very versatile. And because they're so lightweight, you don't feel bad throwing them in your bag, especially if you're going to be heading to a beach or need a towel somewhere. If you're staying in hostels, perhaps, you're going to want your own towel, and a Turkish towel is a great way to go. You can find Turkish towels all over Amazon, and they have gotten more affordable than they used to be. I still think if you want a good one, you're going to need to invest a little bit in one, just so that you get a true Turkish towel. If you do not, then there's a chance that it won't dry fast or it'll start smelling or it just won't be very good quality. So make sure you read those reviews before you buy. So there you have it. My advice on the best towel to take for travel, that would be a Turkish towel. I find it a great addition to my packing list and still keeping that packing list light. It's quite versatile and does everything that I need to. If you found this video helpful, please like, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you out there on the road.